Is Google's AI-powered search killing web traffic? On August 7, 2025, Google's search chief Liz Reed pushed back against claims that AI overviews are hurting publishers, insisting clicks are stable and user experience is better than ever. But publishers across the US aren't convinced. Let's dig into what's really happening, what Google's saying, and why it matters for you. So, here's Google's defense. In a blog post on August 6, Liz Reed responded to a Pew Research study saying those new AI overviews, those summaries at the top of search, are reducing click-through rates to websites. Reed insists total organic clicks are stable year over year, and that AI is actually driving more searches, and get this, higher quality clicks, meaning people spend more time on sites when they do click. But here's the catch. Google didn't share any actual numbers, no hard data, just trust us. That leaves a lot of publishers skeptical, and honestly, I see why. Reed says these AI overviews are just the next step after features like the knowledge graph and sports scores, which, according to her, didn't hurt clicks either. Google's boasting record numbers, over 8.5 billion searches every day, and says AI is making the web better. Sure, if you're searching for quick facts, you probably love those instant answers, but for sites like news outlets or blogs, it's a problem. According to SimilarWeb, 69% of news searches in May 2025 were zero-click, meaning users got what they needed from Google without ever clicking a link. Now let's talk about Reddit. Reed dropped a hint about a move toward authentic voices. That's code for Reddit, which partnered with Google in 2024 to help train its AI. Since then, Reddit's traffic has exploded, up 21% in 2024 alone, and now hitting 110 million daily users. Google's AI summaries and search results love Reddit threads. So if you're searching for real opinions, they're front and center. That's great for Reddit, but for smaller sites, say your favorite niche review blog, it's a struggle to keep up. It's kind of like those old SEO fights where big brands would always edge out the little guys. Google says they care about the health of the web ecosystem more than anyone. But Reed admits some users just get their answer from the AI overview and never click further. A SparkToro study found 59% of Google searches in 2025 are zero-click, up from 50% in 2020. That hits US publishers especially hard. When you rely on Google for 60% of your web traffic, this kind of change can really hurt your bottom line. So what can you do? If you're publishing content, it's time to adapt. Focus on in-depth, authentic material. Think first-hand reviews and real discussions. AI likes that stuff. Some publishers are turning to newsletters or even micropayments. Forbes and The Atlantic say they've boosted revenue by 20% just by building direct relationships with readers. And don't ignore the basics. Optimizing for features like People Also Ask and using structured data can help you stay visible in AI search. And if you're just tired of zero-click searches, try alternatives like Kaji or DuckDuckGo. They're all about sending you directly to websites, not keeping you in a walled garden. But let's be real, Google's lack of transparency here is a big problem. With no public click data and ongoing FTC investigations into its monopoly, most of us are left guessing. So, is Google's AI search saving the web or sinking it? On one hand, it's never been faster to get answers. On the other, content creators and publishers are fighting to survive. With Reddit on the rise and nearly 60% of searches ending without a click, the web's future is definitely up for debate. How are you navigating Google's AI changes? Share your strategies in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and let's keep the web thriving.